Hi, today I'm going to be talking about the Pur Minerals Correcting Primer. So as a bit of a backstory, my first basic primer was the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and that's the one that I've used for the longest time, and it's really lasted me. The only thing I did notice about that though was that my makeup didn't go on as well when I was using this one, so I recently went ahead and decided it was probably time to move on from Smashbox just because it wasn't working with my skin. And so I went into a store and I got this one. So this specific primer is dedicated to hydrating and balancing out the primer. So on the back it says, smooth onto clean moisturized skin, allow to dry, then follow with 4-in-1 pressed minimal makeup. Of course you don't have to do that. What I go ahead and do is I use my primer and then I put on my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. So I actually really do love this primer. It goes on so well, it leaves my skin feeling moisturized, but it doesn't give enough moisture for my pores to actually oil up, because I'm an oily skin type, so my skin tends to really just oil up, but it doesn't actually do that a lot with this primer, which I really like about that. So again, I use this before I put on my makeup, and yeah, it's really good. So I only use it in the mornings. So I'll talk a bit about the packaging. So it's got a nice blue packaging, and it's just like they use the tones of silver and blue, which I think is really nice. And it's got a bit of a reflective mirror cap. So I'll show you a bit what it looks like. So I'm going to put it on my hand, and there it is. It's a little bit of a blue shade, and so then I rub it in. It is so moisturizing, like it feels very nice. So what I actually do in order is I wake up, I clean with my Neutrogena Deep Clean Micellar water, then I go ahead and moisturize with whatever moisture I need, like if it's dry or oily, and then I go ahead and put on this and put on my makeup. So this is a really nice, and it has a bit of a light sunscreen scent to it, so it doesn't have a strong scent at all, and it's not that much of a yucky scent. So this is the packaging that it came in. Their primers come in different types, so I don't remember what there was, but there's different options for different skin. So this one's dedicated to hydrating and balancing. So of course it says like it's by Pur Minerals, and it says the same sort of things on the back, but in different languages, in French I believe. And then of course it goes ahead and tells you all the ingredients. It also has it has a sunburn alert to it. This product contains an alpha hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. Use the sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure while using this product and for a week afterwards. So I actually didn't know that. So it does actually make your skin a bit sensitive to the sun, which is an interesting fact to know. So it sounds like it lasts up to a week. So knowing that, I didn't actually know that, but knowing that, that's a bit of a strange fact to put in there, a bit of a strange side effect. And then on the top, of course, it says for tips and tricks, and it links their Facebook page. In Australia, we don't actually have this product. I got this while I was in Canada. So if you're looking to get this, I would suggest buying it online, because I think that's the easiest place to get it. So this is it's actually a pretty small container, and so it'll actually fit anywhere. Normally it's small enough to fit in your pocket. It's really lightweight, and so it'll fit into most makeup bags, which of course is good. Apart from that, I can't really say much else. I really do like this primer. Now that I've known this fact, I actually might do a bit more of a research into it. It is quite small print, which maybe they should put on the front, because if someone is already really sensitive to to sun, and you're wearing it like every day, like I don't do my makeup every day, I just do it some days. Sometimes I wear makeup, some days I don't. So if you're a person then that wears makeup every day and you're sensitive to the sun, maybe you might want to look at some other options and see if this is really a choice you want to make. Overall, again, I do like this product. I will continue using it. Maybe look at my different options, but this is only the second primer I've actually ever used, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it actually works over time and seeing if I can see any major differences. But again, recommend this to anyone, and it is one of my favorite primers that I've used so far, even though I've only used 2. But thank you, and I'll see you guys soon.